What's up, everybody? So today I am going to teach you how to clean a PS4 Slim. All you need is a can of air. That's basically it. And then what you do here is you see the front of it, and then you have to slide it back so you could see it. And then you see the fan. Well, I just cleaned it recently, so obviously it's gonna look brand new. And so focus. Sorry guys, I just took a shower. Take the can of air and then you spray it on the fan and stuff like that. And you should be more than okay. There was a piece of hair. A piece of hair there. My cats like to hop on my PS4 and it's so... I have to clean it. Oh my god. I have to clean it now and then. Fuck. Get... Bitch! So, yeah. And then if you want to clean the edges, just use the can of air. It's that simple. Peace.